So Yeezy Day 2022 just happened here in the EU, and although we didn't really get the turtle doves, I did manage to cop some heat. So let's check it out. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out what I picked up from Yeezy Day 2022. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel and you like all kinds of content related to sneaker culture, including unboxings, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really will help the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out what I managed to cop from Yeezy Day 2022, which took place on August 3rd here in the UK and EU. It also took place in the US the day before on August the 2nd. Now for me, Yeezy Day 2022 was a lot better than 2021, where I only managed to cop 3 pairs of Cloud Whites. Took an L on the Wave runners, but I did manage to cop my wife's size. Whereas this year I managed to cop 5 pairs, and although the most hype release, the Turtle Doves, didn't really drop in the EU, I'm still happy with what I picked up, and I can't wait to actually unbox what we have here and see it in hand for the first time. So let's check it out. First package. These all have pull tabs, so it's a lot easier to open. The first pickup is a Yeezy 700. For me, this was my first 700 in my collection. The majority of my Yeezys are 350s, V2s, a couple of 380s, and a 500. So I wanted to kind of expand the collection, and I know that this for quite a lot of people is a grail, and for me, I just really love the colorway. I think it's fire. Really happy to cop this in my size. So you have 700 on the top, and then you have Yeezy 700 on this side, and size tag reads Yeezy 700 V3, and the colour is Azael, Azael, Azael. So we managed to cop the Yeezy 700 Azaels. So start up on the box. Look at these. Ooh, these are nice. So here's my first pair of 700s, and first impressions, these are fire. I mean, these are really nice. It's definitely can't wait to get this on foot. And yeah, so there's the sneaker. So as you can see, it's fire. 700s, as I said, the most common ones are obviously the Wave runners, but there's another very hype release. Really have to have this in the collection, can't wait to rock this. So this again is a Yeezy 350. So I managed to cop 2 350s. This is the first of them. I seem to be getting W's on the older models. Now I did try to cop the Yeezy 350 Core Black Red to go along with Dazzling Blues and Oreos, which I'd already copped earlier in the year. However, I did take my L, but again, really happy to have this. From what I gather, this did sell out very quickly, so there were fairly limited pairs. So again, really happy to get my size, and happy to add this to the collection. So picking the box, so you got 350 on the top, YZY 350 V2 there. And size tag reads Yeezy 350 V2, and the colourway is Sesame. Slide the box. These are fire. That's the Yeezy 350 V2 Sesame. So these are nice. I really like these. So yeah, these are new production models, but these originally came out in 2018. So again, I think it's a fire sneaker. And just happy to add it to my V2 collection. It's an interesting colorway. I think it's, you know, it's kind of a very grey colorway, but yeah, really have to have it in the collection. So here we have a Yeezy 500. So this is probably my first cop for Yeezy Day 2022. Again, wanted to get a 500 in the collection. I do have a 500 boot, but again, it's only something you can wear in certain situations, and most likely not for the summer. Obviously, when I see these in hand, I really have to manage to cop these. We have 500 on the top, and then we have Yeezy 500 here. The size tag reads Yeezy 500. The colorway is Sumu Yay. So slide the box. Okay, so that's the Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellow. Again, it's an interesting sneaker. It's very yellow. Again, my first 500 in my collection, so really have to have this. This originally came out in 2018, so I would assume it's new pairs. So yeah, this is May 2022, so yeah, quite recent. But yeah, I do like it. I think it's going to be interesting to see how this feels on foot, and again, how it feels compared to other Yeezy models. So yeah, really have it in the collection. Pair number 4 is another 350, as you can see. Size tag read Yeezy Boost 350 V2 and the colourway is Hyper S. So we'll slide this open. And here we have Yeezy 350 V2 Hyperspace. Again, this was a sneaker that originally dropped in 2019. I believe an Asia region exclusive. So for Yeezy Day 2022, Adidas decided to release in other regions. This is an interesting sneaker, I'd say. It's like a very minty green almost. Not exactly what I was expecting from the official images that we saw and confirmed that. I assume these are new pairs, so let me just check the date. Yeah, so again, this is February 2022. Originally that dropped in 2019, but again, another 350 in the collection. Just a different colour to what you normally get with Yeezys. What you find now with Yeezys, you've obviously got all your blacks, you've got a lot of kind of tonal, like you've got a lot of tan, a lot of white as well. So just have like a kind of minty colour. It's definitely a nice addition. So you're really happy with this. And the last sneaker. I mean, can we really call this a sneaker? I don't know, but regardless, as soon as I pop the lid, you're gonna know what this is. So FOAM, foam. We managed to cop. First time I've seen foam runners in person. The Yeezy foam runner in the Onyx colorway, in my size, 14. This has been such a hard sneaker to get for retail. I haven't been considering paying resale, but to get a retail W on a foam runner in my size, that's a win in itself. So yeah, this is fire. I mean, I can't wait to put this on foot and see what all the hype is about. So yeah, definitely happy to have this in the collection. That's the 5 pickups right here. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these. Anything that you managed to pick up yourself. Always appreciate that feedback. As I said, Yeezy Day for me was a bit of hit and miss really. What I was really looking forward to was the Turtle Doves, but they only seem to be available through exclusive access. And even then that kind of release was botched. So really disappointed that didn't really drop in the EU. Now whether Adidas decided to drop that later, I've no idea. But certainly the US definitely got the better end of the stick, shall we say, when it comes to the Turtle Dove release. But regardless of that, I'm really happy with the pickups and really happy to add those to the collection. So thanks for taking the video. If this is the kind of content you want to see, you know, unboxings, try-ons, opinions, anything related to sneaker culture, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really will help the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.